everyone, what's up? It's me and Kausari, and today we are going to be learning about JavaScript Arithmetic Operators. But before we get started, if you guys are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be uploading amazing videos for you guys which you'll love to watch. So, subscribe now. Okay, so let's get started. Now, before you know what a JavaScript arithmetic operator is, you need to know what an operator is, just a JavaScript operator. So a JavaScript operator is an element where you can perform operations using single or multiple values to get a result for it. So for example, let's say you need to get an answer for 10 plus 20. Now you don't know what 10 plus 20 is, like everyone knows exactly, but what if you want to know what it is exactly? So now we 10 and 20 both are values, and the plus symbol is a sign. So now computer will understand it, it will solve it out, and it will just give you the answer and just give it out 30s, do it really fast. It is like you don't even need a calculator, you don't need to calculate it, okay, for it. So now these operators are used in many mathematical conditions. So yeah, okay. So now there are two types of operators. There is an arithmetic operator, and there is a assignment operator. Now these both are different, but today we are only going to talk about arithmetic operators. So now what is it? An arithmetic operator is an element where you can perform calculations using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for single or multiple values. Okay, yes, you heard it right. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So for example, if you want to know what is maybe 50 plus 60, okay, so now what you can do is just create a variable, name it, and then just add just keep that as 50 plus 60. Like let's say we created a variable, let number equal 50 plus 60. Now you don't need to write any answer for it, the computer will know, it will process it, and it will just give you the output, but not in the code editor right now. You need to console log if you want to print it out in the console tab. So like console log number, and then it will print out exactly 110 in the console tab. Okay, so these are really helpful. These arithmetic operators are really helpful for solving many complex calculations which we cannot do in our minds, and we don't even need a calculator for it. You have the computer right there in front of you and just write the code and you get it. So now this was just one way you can use these arithmetic operators. There are many different ways where you can use arithmetic operators. So it's not really like you need to create a variable for it and then assign it. Like it's not like that. You can use it anywhere. It's like for using, like these arithmetic operators are basically for doing calculations. So yeah, you know, and we can also use arithmetic operator in string concatenation. Yeah, string concatenation. Now you might not know what it is, that's fine. I'm going to be talking about these later in my videos, so don't worry about it, okay? And just that's fine because we're going to be talking about it later. Okay, so now these are really helpful. You can also be using string concatenation and many more uses, okay? So I hope you understood it. And by the way guys, if you didn't really understand that well, that's fine, because we are going to be also using a real code editor in my upcoming videos, so that we can deeply understand what it is, you know, so that we can just write down like the block of code in the real code editor. Okay, so yeah, you'll really understand it better, even better when you start programming. So that's fine if you don't understand now. The main thing is, like, I want to say the main thing is like the arithmetic operators are mainly to do calculations and to do operations, like complex operations which we can't do, and we have the computer for doing it. Okay, exactly, yeah. So these are really helpful, and the example which I gave you, like 50 and 50 plus 60, that can be same applied to for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All are like similar, but okay. And for using these, we have different symbols for it. Okay, so for addition we have the plus symbol. For subtraction we have this minus symbol. For multiplication we have a star symbol. Now a star symbol, when you press 8 and the shift key together, you get a star symbol on your monitor. Okay, you can try it out. And then for division we have a forward slash. Now these are the symbols for it. You can like for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which is really simple to use exactly. So yeah, that's what I want to say, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe, also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. So now I'll meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye. I love you all.